Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can easily play World War Armies on PC. So the first thing that you want to do is click on the link down below in the description, and when you're going to do it, it will end up right here to Ldplayer, and you want to click download Ldplayer. Now when you're going to download it, and you're going to press open, you need to install it, and I prepared an installation video. So I download Ldplayer, then you're going to press install. And then when you're gonna have it and have like installation prepared, you want to go to Home, System Apps, Play Store, and have the game here right here, and you're gonna press play. Okay. And this is how you can easily play it. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. And you're always gonna just double tap here, and that's pretty much it.